நீங்கள் பார்த்து கொண்டிருப்பது ஆம்ஸ்டாங் டிவி.
बनाया वही तो बनाया चौतरा।
My name is Surendra Kumar. I am from Mamchand. Okay. Surendra Kumar, I am from Mamchand House Uplifting Private Limited. So this building lifting technique is invented by my grandfather, late Shri Mamchand Chauhan. They are from the Haryana. So they are starting the building lifting working. So we have a 5 times building lifting world record achieved, and this technique is patented by Government of India and copyright. So in Tamil Nadu, we are lifting. Recently, we are lifting in Veeranjana Temple in Singaperumal Koil, and Shri Subramanya Swami Kul Alandu is a 400 years old temple. In Gindi, we are lifted Veeranjana Temple is 600 years old temple. And Kadakoniamman Temple, Nungambakam is a 100 years old temple. And right now, this is Ravishwara Temple. So this temple is nearly up to 800 years old temple. And this is a temple built by totally stones, lime and mortar and red bricks. So currently we are lifting nearly 6 feet height we are completing, and another we are 1.5 feet is balanced. So after 1 month we can lifting our totally. So for the lifting in the heritage temples in Tamil Nadu, we are using stones only. We are not using any bricks at all. With lime and mortar, kadagai and another all the materials and totally black stone. So this is the 1000 of years old temple. So this temple will be again survive will be another 1,000 years. So after the this temple will be suitable standing as it is in the same place. Not any problem coming in the structure. So as per the temple we have to working as per the building structure, building quality and stability of the building. So this is our work. So we are lifting many temples in Tamil Nadu. Last 5 years, lot of temple we are lifting. So this is a present we are lifting right now in the Singaperumal Koil. Present is going on. The Saraveshwar temple is going on, and in the after the lifting, we have give to the 20 years guarantee with the normal building. But if we are using the stones and all the old chemicals and lime and mortar, kadagai and sunnam, this we are using, so we can give 100 years guarantee. Pakka for this structure will be same standing as it is placed. Actually, stone is very long life material, so we can give the surety with writing another 100 years. So temple will be structure will be standing as it is. This is writing only, but temple will be survive and standing in same place up to 1000 years without any problem. Plan is we have to save our heritage, our Indian heritage, which is older temples in our India, in our Tamil Nadu, in our Andhra, in our Himachal Pradesh. Totally we have to save our which temple is construction in the Chola Empire, in the Palwas Empire, in Vijayanagaram Empire. So we have to try our which temple is like a tilting condition, and the structure is some damaged structure and low level, low from the road level. So we can try to lift the temple as it is. So what is the main plus point in our Mamchand temple lifting restoration technique? we are lifting structure from the bottom. We are not cutting from the middle of the wall. That's a very major point of the lifting of the structure. Any building, any temple, we are not cutting from the above the floor level. We are lifting from the base level. So you see this in this temple also. This is the base level of the temple, main base level. So we are lifting from the bottom only. We are not cut from the above level. So before the lifting, that is the floor level. You see this mark. So this is totally covering in the flooring only. So we are not cutting above. We are going to the 6 feet down, digging, then we are lifting. And in the totally temple, we are construction our 16 inches raft with double mat of steel rod. So with the Tata steel rod double mat in all the temple. So this temple will be standing as it is. Not any tilting condition, no any problem will be coming in the future. I can show you the Shivan temple. So this is the Shiva temple. Before lifting, you see this bar. This line is this way floor level, new floor level. This floor level, that is. So we are digging 5 feet. This we are removing this structure, this original structure of the temple. Below the structure, totally small debris are there, brick pieces are there, limon mortar, old technique they are using before 800 years old. So we are not cutting from the above. We are lifting our totally structure same. So right now our temple original is all the design. Adar, these are main Adar, these are main, you see this black stone. So we are using these stones only. So we below the stone totally old, this is foundation, like a small piece of the bricks, aluminum mortar and soil also there. So we are fixing jacks here. And right now our from the Adar to Gopuram, this temple will be same as it is we are lifting. Totally this Gomukh also will be same, we are not removing any Gomukh. And lifting after we are using this black stone only. We don't use any bricks at all. Totally stone only we are using for temple lifting. Many persons right now lifting the building in all over Tamil Nadu. So I am seeing many times what they are doing. They are lifting from the above this level. They are cutting from the above and lifting the temple. Many temple actions, but there is a not good for the temple structure. In the after the lifting, after maybe 5 to 6 years, problem will be coming in the structure. So we recommend to the lifting from the bottom only, not cutting from the middle wall. Lifting totally structure, entire structure we can lift it. And plus point is from the hour we are using stones only. We don't use any bricks for the temple lifting. And normal building we have a 9 inches wall only, but in the old temples we have a 5 feet wall. This width of the wall 5 feet. So we are not using a single jacks. We are using double layer jacks. This you see, this one line outside and one line inside. So double layer of jacks we are using. And this below the GoPro we are using 80 tons jacks. And in the Mandapam we are using 50 tons jacks. So as per the load we are using load capacity as per the load. Many temples in our Haryana, Gurdwaras, temples in Himachal Pradesh also, in Andhra Pradesh also. Which temple construction by the time of the Haryana, Punjab not divided. That time they are construction. Old Gurdwara they are making with the time of the Pakistan. So right now also Guru Gobind Singh Ji in Talwandi Sabo near the Bathinda district in the Punjab, one old Gurdwara is there. That is the Guru Gobind Singh Ji Talwar and Hathiyar they are placing there. That Gurdwara we are lifting. I think 20 years before we are lifted the Gurdwara. So right now the Gurdwara is same as it is there. So like that we are lifting and save our heritage of our India. If Indian government give authority to us, so Dwarkadish Nagari, this is located in Gujarat, in the wait sir. So we can lift our Dwarkadish Nagari, which is located in Gujarat. This is the underwater in the, so we can lift our Dwarkadish Nagari from the water. So everybody will be see. Right now, last time we see the many person going to the sea Dwarkadish Nagari, which is located in the underwater. So if Indian government give us opportunity, so we can lift from the sea. So anybody will be sea. This is our aim. So we can lift our Dwarkadish Nagari. My name is Mamchand House Uplifting Private Limited. And second is Mamchand Temple Lifting and Restoration. Our contact number is 9896609220. My name is Mamchand House Uplifting Private Limited. And second is Mamchand Temple Lifting and Restoration. Our contact number is 9896609220.